how to fix Instagram invite collaborator problem in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do to fix this problem, it's actually very easy. First step you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks and then enable the airplane mode and disable it. After that, go to the home page and click on the Play Store option right here. Now here, all what you want to do is click on the settings. After that, you have to search for Instagram. Now, after you search for Instagram, you have to do one thing. Just click on update if you don't have the latest version, because the problem is 100% from the update. If you don't have the latest version of Instagram, the invite collaborator option is not being working. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the very end. See you later. Thank you very much.